There's something captivating about extreme weather, a sense of awe and excitement that draws us in. From the destructive fury of hurricanes to the silent stillness of a total solar eclipse, extreme weather events capture our imaginations. They challenge our understanding of the world and remind us of our own small place within its vastness. And in their wake, they leave behind stories of survival, resilience, and the extraordinary bonds forged in the face of adversity. It's this potent mix of fear and fascination that draws storm chasers and nature photographers alike, compelled to witness firsthand the raw power and beauty of these fleeting moments. They risk their own safety to capture images and data that help us understand these phenomena and appreciate the delicate balance of our planet's systems. So buckle up as we embark on a journey to explore some of nature's most awe-inspiring events, from the frozen fury of blizzards to the celestial dance of a solar eclipse. Imagine waking up to a world transformed, blanketed in a pristine layer of snow. The familiar landscape is now a silent white expanse, every surface sculpted into smooth, rounded shapes. The air is crisp and still, the only sound the soft crunch of your boots on the fresh powder. This is the unique beauty of a snowstorm. But beneath this serene facade lies a force of nature capable of paralyzing entire cities. Roads become impassable, buried beneath mountains of snowdrifts. The wind howls, creating blinding whiteouts that obscure all sense of direction. Yet, even in the face of such challenges, the human spirit endures. Neighbors help neighbors dig out, sharing food, warmth, and stories of resilience. Few natural phenomena command as much respect and fear as a hurricane. Born over warm ocean waters, these swirling storms gather strength as they travel, their winds whipping up towering waves and torrential rainfall. Landfall is where the true fury of a hurricane is unleashed. Winds howl like freight trains, tearing apart buildings and uprooting trees with ease. Storm surges, walls of water driven ashore by the hurricane's force, inundate coastlines, reshaping landscapes in a matter of hours. The aftermath is often a scene of widespread devastation, a stark reminder of nature's raw power. Amidst the destruction, stories of human courage and resilience emerge. Communities band together, offering shelter, supplies, and support to those who have lost everything. Section 4. When day turns to night, the magic of solar eclipses. Imagine a clear summer day. The sun is shining brightly in the sky. Suddenly it begins to grow darker, as if a giant dimmer switch is being slowly turned down. The temperature drops, a cool breeze sweeps across the land, and an eerie hush falls over the world. You look up to see the moon taking a bite out of the sun, the sky transforming into a breathtaking celestial display. This is the magic of a solar eclipse. For a brief few minutes, day turns to night, stars become visible, and the sun's corona, its outer atmosphere, blazes forth in a dazzling halo of light. This rare alignment of celestial bodies is a spectacle unlike any other, a reminder of the vastness of space and the intricate dance of our solar system. People travel from all corners of the globe to witness these fleeting moments of celestial alignment, sharing in a collective gasp as the world around them is momentarily plunged into darkness. Section 5. Wonders beyond imagination. The realm of extreme weather extends far beyond snowstorms and hurricanes. Our planet is a treasure trove of natural wonders, each more awe-inspiring than the last. Take, for instance, the ethereal beauty of the aurora borealis, or northern lights. Imagine standing under a clear night sky far from city lights. Suddenly shimmering curtains of green, blue and purple light begin to dance across the heavens, illuminating the landscape with an otherworldly glow. This breathtaking spectacle occurs when charged particles from the sun collide with atoms in Earth's atmosphere, releasing energy in the form of light. The aurora borealis is a reminder that even in the darkest of nights, nature is capable of producing displays of extraordinary beauty. From the frozen wastelands of Antarctica to the heart of active volcanoes, our planet is teeming with examples of nature's raw power and beauty. Section 6. Nature's Grand Spectacle. As we've journeyed through blizzards, braved the fury of hurricanes, and witnessed the celestial ballet of a solar eclipse, one thing becomes abundantly clear. Nature is a force to be reckoned with. It's a source of both immense beauty and terrifying power, capable of inspiring awe and fear in equal measure. While we strive to understand and predict these extreme events, there's a certain humility in acknowledging the limits of our control. We are but guests on this planet, entrusted with its care. So the next time you find yourself caught in a downpour or marveling at a rainbow arcing across the sky, take a moment to appreciate the intricate workings of our planet. For in the grand spectacle of nature, we find not only beauty and wonder, but also a profound connection to something far greater than ourselves.